You are about to learn how to use the Silkscreen Factory. With this kit, you will learn how to add beautiful art to your t-shirts, bags, bandanas, and even stationery. To protect your clothing, use an apron or an old shirt. To protect your work area, use an Alex drop cloth or newspaper. Let's begin. Before you start silk screening onto fabric, we recommend you practice with paper to master your technique. Lift the handles located on the back and place the silk in the printing frame. Make sure the silk lies flat. Press the handles down to lock in place. Position the stencil under the tabs. Make sure the stencil faces up. Place the Silkscreen Factory stencil side down on the area where you want to print. Choose the color ink you would like and squeeze a thick line of ink inside the very top of the frame. Now pull the squeegee from the top to the bottom to cover the stencil evenly with ink. Make sure all areas of the stencil are covered with ink. Gently remove the Silkscreen Factory, and wow, look how cool! Now let's try with fabric. Your kit comes with a cool bandana so you can print right away. Iron the fabric before you begin so it's nice and flat. Always have an adult help you iron. Lock in the silk, slide in the stencil, and print. Set aside and wait for the ink to air dry for approximately 2 to 3 hours. When the ink is dry, set an iron to the correct temperature for the fabric and have an adult iron the design to heat set the ink. After printing, always hand wash the screen and stencil with water right away so you can use it again and again. Some of the stencils have 4 designs in one. To print one of the designs, lay the blocking paper on top of the images you don't want to print, like this, or like this, or like this. Now the ink will only print in the exposed area. If you want to make your own unique design, you can spell out words or personalize your shirt with your name using tape as your stencil. When printing on a shirt, place a piece of cardboard or a few sheets of paper on the inside of the shirt. This way the ink will not bleed through. Set up your Silkscreen Factory in the same way and print. pretty! You can even cut out your own design on a piece of paper and then use tape to tack it down. Place your Silkscreen Factory frame on top of the cutout shapes. When the ink is dry, peel off the paper shapes. Beautiful! Way to go!